Hi, I'm Ebony, the founder of Budget Collector. Today I'm here to talk about my new book that is available on Amazon for $29.95. It's the Art Gallery Journal. It's an essential resource designed to help you actively engage in local art museums and galleries. For the next few weeks, I will be guiding you through how to use this journal and its mission called the 5 Museum Challenge. The challenge ends with winning a beautiful pin that's still in its production phase, but I'll show you a sample of the pin because I want it to look perfect. So I'm still producing it. I have a sample and I'm looking at different possible production companies. But please join me in completing this mission by purchasing the book today. Again, the book costs $29.95. It's on Amazon, and you can either search on Amazon or go on budgetcollector.org. Thank you for the people who have already purchased the book, and thank you for the people who are planning to purchase the book. Okay, thanks. Bye.